Hi, welcome back. This is Mark Gunlack, and we are going to go over how to create tasks for yourself and your team. So up here on the toolbar, you're going to click on tasks. And these default columns here cannot be changed, but I still think they, on the surface, are already accurate or appropriate for your real estate business as it is. So they're pretty self-explanatory. Anything in each of these columns obviously match the header. So how to add a task is simple. Just go over here to add task. You can start with a status here. So it's either not started, in progress, completed, waiting, or deferred, and that's the headings of our columns. So let's just say we don't have something started yet, but we want to put something in motion, right? So let's just say we want to start farming. Hasn't started yet, but our end date to get it started is November 20th. Okay, you can even add a time if you need to. You can add a contact if, say, one of the members of your contact list is, say, a farming professional or advertising professional. You can add them to this task, or if this task relates to one of the deals, which we'll get to in the next video, you can add that as well. But we're just going to stick to the basic task of farming, which we have not started yet. So then you'll see that here. As you do get started with a task, you want to move it over easily just to in progress. And you can always click on it and edit it. So now it'll show you that it's in progress. You can edit this description, write in what you've done, start another end date. Let's just say by the end of the month it's going to be completed. It saves, and now it's in progress. You're waiting for, say, your flyers to come in, so you can move it there. Completed. Once you have maybe reached that end date, you can always start it over again with the next month. Or if, say, you're just putting it off to the first of the year, you want to move it over to deferred. Click on that. Change the date to the first of the year. Hit save. Now farming is deferred to the first of the year. And this can just go on and on with different tasks. Say something like call expireds is an in-progress task. And let's just say you want it done by tomorrow. Save. It's in progress. Once you've completed that task, you can move it over. And then you can obviously have a whole list of everything that you've completed. And then you can see what you're working on, what you need to work on, what you're waiting to be done, or what you're deferring to another time. Over here is where you can click off of these and you'll see all of the tasks, especially if you've assigned any to a team member. Now, I may be able to. I do not have my team members in here yet, but if they were, it would just be assigned here. And whatever task you want to assign to that person, it'll be there. Then over here, it can be searched for. So if you had a team member, let's just say named Kevin, you would search tasks by Kevin or assigned to, and then they would show up here. As well as on your team members' CRM that you've added, they will have all of their tasks listed here as well. Okay, so from there we're going to actually talk about deals and how to create your deal flow in the next video.